welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. So for today's video, I'll be vlogging for the whole day. Like it's just like a day in my life vlog. So I'm just out of my shower and now I'm going to do my skincare routine. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that. So I have used this rose water from Kama Ayurveda. I just love it. It's so good, especially in summers. It's just amazing. Also guys, I got these cotton pads from Miniso. Like they are very affordable, so if you want to get cotton pads, you can definitely get them. These are like 180 pieces for like 150 rupees. Very affordable. I got two packs and look at them. They're like of decent quality, so I just like them. Yeah. Done with my morning skincare routine, and in the morning I like to keep it very simple, like the basic CTM. Like nowadays I've started using the face roller too, like for a few minutes, but that's it. It's very basic. Now I'm going to have my breakfast, and for my breakfast I have oats chila. So basically I like oats chila in the morning. Like it's oats besan chila actually with little veggies. आज तो मैंने उतनी नहीं डाली. Usually I put like capsicum, जो भी मतलब वेजिटेबल्स मिलती हैं वो सारी इसमें डाल देती हूँ. बट टुडे इट्स जस्ट अनियन एंड सम चिलीज, थोड़ा बहुत, और कुछ ऐसा कुछ खास नहीं है. सो या आई एम गोइंग टू हैव माई ब्रेकफास्ट एंड देन आई विल कैच यू गाइज. So it's 11:15 right now, and now I'm going to have my morning snack. For the morning snack I'm having mangoes. So the summer season is here and I love mangoes, so I'm going to have them. These are very tasty, you know. So I think I'm going to shoot a video today, but let's see how it goes. Till then I'm going to write my assignments, I guess, because I have to write my assignments. So yeah, I'm going to do that. So for the lunch I'm having rajma and chawal. Also I'm having this bundi ka raita too. So I'm gonna have my lunch and then I'll see you guys. So guys, now I'm shooting a video. पहले मैं सोच रही थी कि नहीं शूट करती हूँ, but then I thought कर लेती हूँ. ऐसा बहुत बार होता रहता है मेरे साथ. ऑल्सो जस्ट इन लाइक फ्रंट ऑफ माई बिल्डिंग देयर इज कंस्ट्रक्शन गोइंग ऑन एंड इट्स सो नॉइजी, सो अनोइंग, बट आई हैव टू डील विद इट. बट ignoring that, look at my makeup, you guys. I'm loving it today. It's looking so beautiful. Also this dress which I'm wearing is from H&M and this is from Zara. ये मुझे इतना ज़्यादा पसंद है, मैं हर दूसरी वीडियो में यही पहन लेती हूँ. Like it has M over it. So beautiful. So I'll catch you guys after I am done with shooting the video. So yeah, bye guys. I'm done with shooting the video and it was so hectic today. Like it took me more than 2 hours to shoot this video. Usually मुझे इतना टाइम नहीं लगता है, but ये सेम वीडियो सेम टॉपिक पे मैंने थोड़े दिन पहले शूट की थी, but I did not like how it turned out. तो वापस से मैंने शूट की. Also it's so hot in Pune. I'm so tired now. I'm going to get changed and I'm going to remove this makeup. Yeah, then I'll catch you guys. So guys, I'm all changed and now I'm going to do fluid painting. So बहुत दिनों से मेरे पास एक fluid painting की kit पड़ी हुई थी, but I couldn't use it. So I'm going to use it today and I'm also going to show you guys कि कैसा बनता है. So yeah. Also guys, दिन में इतनी गर्मी हो रही थी, but अभी इतनी अच्छी हवा चल रही है. Also these hills, they were not visible before lockdown and now they look so beautiful. सो गाइज़, ये कैनवस है और यहाँ पे मैंने पूरा पॉलीथिन बिछा लिया है ताकि गंदा ना हो. एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर, देयर इज़ कंस्ट्रक्शन गोइंग ऑन नियर माई बिल्डिंग. सो गाइज़, प्लीज़ इग्नोर द नॉइज़. So now I'm going to edit the video which I shot today. This video is on skincare. Like it's like a 2-hour long video and I have to get it to like 10 minutes because I don't want to make the video very long. Definitely it's not going to be like 2 hours, but still like I am going to get it to 10 minutes or something. So yeah, after this I'm going to have my dinner, and for dinner maybe I'll have spaghetti or something. I'm going to make that because I want to eat spaghetti today. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to edit the video first and then I'll catch you guys. So I'm making Asian spaghetti today, and for that I have some boiled spaghetti, some cabbage, broccoli, some peppers, onion, and this is the mixture of some sauces, garlic and some zucchini. So now I'm going to make it. So guys, I had my dinner and now I think I'm going to end this vlog here. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. It's free but it really means a lot to me. Hit a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below if you want to see more such vlogs. I'll see you guys super soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.